So welcome back guys to the section of Articulate wherein we are looking at different type of animations that's possible. Although the animations that you will be using in your E module will revolve around using of zoom regions and also maybe to some extent hotspot and markers. So this animations which you are learning right now, like triggering motion path animations or continuous looping animations, it's just good to know like this kind of effects. Although the use in making E modules as per my personal opinion is restricted in nature. So I would actually request you to master yourself in kind of using hotspots, zoom regions, markers, and maybe also look at this as a kind of alternative possibility to just add on to those animations that you already know. So kind of let's look at what I'm talking about here when I talk of looping animations. So here like we have a small object and I want to go it in a continuous loop in a circular fashion. So if that sounds crazy enough, so let's look at what I mean. So here if I preview the slide, I click on this oval object, it goes, completes one circle, second, third, and it keeps on going and going and going in a continuous circular loop and infinite times. So this is what we are going to establish here. So let's go ahead and do this. We'll go to slides. We'll create a new slide. So let it be a blank slide. And let me just go ahead and insert a shape and preferably oval this time around so that I can create the same effect. And let me give it certain shape fill. So I will just want to give it a small grayish feel and maybe with a little darker outline. Yeah. So I want to add a motion animation, but this time like, it would be circular in nature. So let me first, okay, so it's neatly named oval object. So I don't need to change it any further. So what I will go is I will go to animations. I will select the object first and then add a motion path, and this time circular in nature. So you can see that it will move along circular motion path 1. So this is the path 1 that it's going to move around. And when the user clicks on oval, so I want to change the trigger here. So what I will do is when the user clicks oval, I want it to complete this motion path 1. Now I will just go ahead and copy this trigger and I will go ahead and paste another trigger. And what I will do is instead of path 1, now I will attach another new path, and that will be again like a circular path. It will not be a linear path. So this will be again a circular motion path. And this time this second circle motion will happen when the animation completes for the first one. So this will take place. So it will complete 1. That 1 will complete. So it will go to 2 and it will stay there. It will stay there. So let's kind of look at this. We'll do Control S. We'll try and preview this. So preview this slide. So let's look at this. So this is the motion part 1. 1 completes, 2, and it stops. Okay, perfect. Now what I want to do is I want to copy this. I want to paste one more. And this time again, what I want to do is I want it to go back to the part 1 when the animation of part 2 completes. Now do you understand what happens? So first is like the part 1 completing, 2 starts, 2 completes, again 1 starts, 1 completes, 2 starts, 1 completes, 1 starts, sorry. And 1 completes, 2 starts, 2 completes, 1 starts, and therefore it becomes continuous in nature. So let's do a Control S for saving this, and let's kind of look at whether we could achieve what we wanted to. So I click on the object, 1 completes, 2 starts, 2 completes, 1 starts, 1 completes, 2 starts, and there you go. So hopefully now you know how you can like create looping animations in case you are making a boiler, maybe like flames or something like that. Maybe at that point of time you can have certain effects if you can master this. So yeah, I mean, it's great to know if you can do all this. Again, I mean, you can do various different things here. I mean, adjust the speed of the animation and stuff like that. But maybe someday we can think of that in a separate tutorial. So as of now, I think this is quite detailed. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in the next one.